Definition and equation of a circle. Before we go to the equation of a circle, let us first define a circle. A circle is a set of all points having the same distance from the center. The line segment that extends from the center towards the edge of the circle is called the radius. Now, the standard equation of the circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where center is at hk, and r is the radius. Here are some additional notes: x squared plus y squared equals r squared. This is the standard equation of the circle when the center is at the origin or 0, 0. Next, is x squared plus y squared equals 1. This is the equation when the unit circle has a radius of 1 and the center is at the origin. Now, let us proceed to solving some sample problems. Number 1. What is the standard equation of a circle with the center at the origin and a radius of 7? To solve this problem, we will use the standard equation of the circle at the origin, which is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Then, simply substitute 7 to r, and square it afterwards. Thus resulting to x squared plus y squared equals 49. Number 2. What is the standard equation of a circle whose center is at 2, -3 and a radius of square root 11? For this problem, we will use the standard equation of the circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where center is at hk, and r is the radius. This time, you have to replace h with 2, k with -3, and r with square root 11. Then solve the designated operations. Your resulting equation will now be x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 11. Number 3. What is the standard equation of a circle with the center at -3, 5 and tangent to the y-axis? In this problem, we'll still use the standard equation of the circle. Note that a circle that is tangent to the y-axis means that the absolute value of its x-coordinate is equal to its radius. Now, you'll have the equation x minus -3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals -3 squared. The resulting equation will now be x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 9. Number 4. Give the standard equation of a circle whose endpoints of diameter are at a, 0, 5 and b, 4, 7. In this problem, we will first identify its center. To get the center, simply add the two x coordinates and y coordinates, then divide both by 2. Now, the center of your circle is at 2, 6. Next, is to identify its radius. To get the radius, choose one endpoint from the given diameter and use the distance formula, which is r equals to square root of x minus h square plus y minus k square. Then, substitute the x and y values of the chosen endpoint. Always remember that you can use either of the two given endpoints, since you'll still arrive at the same answer. This time, we'll just use point B. We now have the equation r equals to square root of 4 minus 2 squared plus 7 minus 6 squared. Combine all terms under the radical sign, thus giving you a result of square root 5. Now, using all the values that we solved earlier, we have the resulting equation x minus 2 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals square root 5 squared, giving us the equation x minus 2 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals 5. Number 5. Give the center and radius of a circle with the equation x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 8y equals 19. To solve this problem, we need to rewrite it in its standard form. By using completing the square, we can get the x and y. The equation will now become x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 equals 19 plus 1 plus 16, which will give us the result x plus 1 squared, plus y minus 4 squared, equals 36. Thus, we can say that the center of the circle is at -1, 4, and its radius is 6. Number 6. Identify the standard equation of the circle shown below. Let us first identify the center of the circle and its radius. The center of the circle is at 2, 4, and its radius is 4. Take note that the radius is the number of units from the center towards the edge of the circle. Thus, its standard equation is x minus 2 squared, plus y minus 4 squared, equals 16.